What's up, everybody? Hopefully, everyone is doing well. And yes, I heard your voice. I have left a question on the community tab asking if you would like to see an unboxing. And thank you to the few selected that have responded because the unboxing is what we're going to do. So, this is not clickbait. So, I have my handy dandy blade here. And again, no clickbait here. An unboxing, here we go. So I picked up about 21 ounces. So let's see what we got here. Get this plastic out. There's no need to show you guys the boring plastic. It was our box that we have to get into. Let's go ahead and get that taken care of. Right. Wow. More packaging. They've done well. I particularly don't usually share where my purchases are from due to the fact that I'm actually not sponsored by certain individuals. But if you can tell by the wrapping, you may already have an idea. So, let's see what we got here. Bullion exchanges. They definitely tend to always do me well. So here we go. You know what I do with these? I just toss them. And then I pick them up later and throw them in the trash. Nice. This was at Spot. So I obtained this Australian kangaroo at Spot. Bullion exchanges tend to have some random spot deals, so that was a good pickup. So I picked that up at Spot, which would have put me at the price point of $29.56. See what else we got. Here we go. So we have a tube of what would be considered random brands Buffalo rounds. And what I do with this, just toss them. You hear that noise? Not bad. And this is actually at Spot. Again, from Bully Exchanges, if you have not noticed. Definitely different for sure. Definitely different. I have not stumbled across these type of rounds. It's not bad. Pretty awesome. So overall, that Spot ran me $620.76. No tax, no shipping, kangaroo, and the Buffalo rounds at Spot, which was at the time $29.56. I must say these are some pretty nice generic rounds. So here we go. 21 ounces of silver at Spot from, as you can tell, Bullion Exchanges. Now you might be wondering, what am I going to do with this? Well, most of this silver is going to be inventory, and it's pretty much inventory to resell back into the market. So that's why I take advantage of some of these deals. Now, if it's something that I want to hold personally, like maybe some Eagles, and then that's something that I would obtain and hold on myself, for myself. Or something like this, that's something that I would pretty much sell back into the market. And if the price is right, along with people willing to pay you insane premiums on things like these eagles, the silver eagles can always be up to sale. This is a pretty neat bar. And what I like about that bar is that it says build your wealth in ounces. But other than that, it's a pretty generic bar. It's pretty basic. And this saying is pretty cool, pretty neat. So again, some awesome rounds here. Very nice, awesome rounds for sure. Definitely pretty nice. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. As we continue to see metals, especially silver, become very volatile, I think this would be a great opportunity to upload if you also resell metals back into the market, if flipping metals is your thing. So therefore, you can be able to be liquid to do other things that you may have planned for yourself financially. So here we go. No need to keep this video any longer. If you like what you see in this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, smash that like button. And if you're stopping by for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And you already know the saying, build your wealth in ounces. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.